In the Chad Daybell murder trial has finished deliberating for the night. They'll be back tomorrow morning as we await a verdict in this high-profile case. News specialist Daniel Woodruff is live in Boise with the latest. Daniel, a busy day in court today.
Yeah, it really was, Deanie, and a big question now for jurors here. Is Chad Daybell a killer, or was he set up by his new wife? That's what they're trying to figure out. They deliberated for a little bit this evening after a long day of closing arguments in which both sides made their case.
3 dead bodies.
As the prosecution and defense made their final pitches to the jury, Tom Evans had a lot of memories come flooding back.
I was a juror on the Lori Vallow Daybell trial.
1 year ago, he listened to evidence against Chad Daybell's wife, who was found guilty in this same case. Now, prosecutors hope this jury will convict Chad himself of murder, conspiracy, and insurance fraud.
It's a really convoluted case with a lot of pieces, and I think the prosecution has done an amazing job of presenting it in a way that makes sense.
Money, power, and sex. That's what the defendant cared about.
Prosecutors say those things drove Chad to kill his longtime wife, Tammy, and these 2 children, Tylee Ryan and J.J. Vallow, while he and Lori were having an affair. The defense argued, though, there's plenty of doubt in this case.
There has not been any evidence saying, we're going to kill the kids. We're going to kill Tammy.
Attorney John Pryor says Chad was a victim himself, not a criminal, and was focused only on his religious beliefs.
In all, I think it's a good day.
Larry Woodcock, JJ's grandfather, says he believes prosecutors made their case.
I truly feel there's only one verdict's going to come down.
As for Evans, he described how the jury is likely feeling now at this stage of the 9-week-long trial.
I think they're ready for this to be over. Their minds are probably pretty well made up.
So at this point, the jury has called it a night, but they'll be back here tomorrow morning at 8 o'clock at the Ada County Courthouse in Boise, Idaho, to continue deliberating. Deanie?
All right, we will be watching and interested to see the outcome. Daniel, thank you. We have been streaming this trial since it began, and we'll be doing the same thing when the verdict comes down, which could come at any time in the days ahead. So be sure to download the free KSL Plus app.